You can't tell, but the bed is moving.
I can feel it. Stop. Okay, get the video.
No, this is interesting. Let's see how long the guy can last.
I can feel it.
Yeah, I know.
This is so weird.
It could be technically anyone. It could be a friend. It could be someone you know.
I can feel this in my toes.
You can feel this in your toes. Alright, it's been a minute. And I think it took me about a minute to start. Alright. I hope the guy has low stamina and is almost done. And then it's our turn. Why are you laughing? It has become a lot more vigorous. Ah, there we go. Good job.